Hi there, Steve Strachan with RE/MAX First. You know, the expression sought after is probably one of the most overused in the real estate industry. So much so that we're led to believe that every community in the city of Calgary is sought after. But if you take a look around and see this expansive park area and the gorgeous Glenmore Reservoir, you'll start to understand why Lakeview is commonly referred to as one of the most sought after neighborhoods in Calgary. And that's where we are today, the location of one of my latest listings here in the sought after community of Lakeview, just a few minutes away. Come on, let's go and check it out. Let's go! I saw a duck. Well, Lakeview Plaza is right around the block from the house. Groceries, Lakeview Bakery, coffee shops, pet stores, it's all right at your doorstep. We're almost there. Well, we made it. Welcome to 6019 Louise Road in Southwest Calgary in Lakeview. This is an almost 1,400 square foot, nicely renovated bungalow, 5 bedrooms total, 3 bathrooms, low maintenance front and backyards, and a double oversized detached garage in the back. You're gonna love this place. But don't just stand there. Take a look around. Hey, check out these European windows. They open out 2 different ways. Out and down. Hey, check out this cool little den area or closet. Well, welcome to this gorgeous master bedroom, bright, sunny, and your own door out to the backyard and hot tub. Oh, hey, so what'd you think of 6019 Louise Road? Nicely renovated bungalow, 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, an oversized garage, and an awesome hot tub. Would you like to take a closer look? I'd love to show you. My name's Steve Strachan with RE/MAX First. Thanks for watching.